Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where I get to Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and this morning we are in Wilson's Round Crownland. We are here to see Ryan, who him there over there, so it's so similarly so while. But please do remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel, so once you post a new video you will be updated. Well, go on, Ryan.
Yeah, I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah, man.
Yes,
yeah.
We not see you. How you good and we not see you? You that?
Yeah,
No.
Yes, guys, so this is Ryan. How are you up to this morning? Where you go?
Yeah, the go bush still.
Oh, you go a bush? Oh, okay.
No, fire no to rain. I set no a daytime.
Morning.
Hi, morning. Rain come early.
Yeah, early man. So they come now, so now pass.
Yeah.
So just stay there and they care to wear black them to no fire.
Yeah, you start care of. Alright, so let's make we get into it. Make we go look where Ryan are going with.
Yeah.
And while we are let's walk and talk. Right, so guys, we have a number of anonymous donors who have donated towards Ryan building project. So we had purchased the material on Friday. When was it? Friday, I believe. Right. So we were supposed to come up with the delivery truck, but we were waiting on them. We didn't get a call from them, so we were just waiting. But it started to rain, and I guess by late evening now, you know, they just came up, and we didn't know when they were coming because we weren't called. So that's why we never come with the truck. So the material actually come to Ryan without us. So we're just showing you. So we sent up 300 blocks, steel, lot, nails, cord to line out the house,
Binding wire.
binding wire. Yes. So we sent up those. So we want to just say bless up to all our anonymous donors.
Yeah, man.
And would like to also make mention of Miss Dell from Ontario, Canada, who has also donated. And Ryan, we have a donor also who wanted us to, one of our anonymous donors, right? So she would have sent money towards her building project, and she also sent some money for you for groceries, and she sent some money for Hubert.
Oh.
Where Hubert there?
In the farmer.
Oh, in the farm veranda. Alright, so that is it.
Get a message you want to go through?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
So Ryan,
See there. Let me say.
so in total you have.
When the truck come here, so well, yeah. For this, somebody want to impact them, you know.
Okay.
A base skiddy truck light, man.
Yeah. And the road not so 100 either, you know, and the mud. You know, 100. The road terrible. The road is terrible. So
Easy. Oh God, man.
yeah, bad man. Yeah.
Where you calling?
Yeah.
No 100.
I want to pass go up.
We drive past, we come up.
Yeah. Yes, so Ryan, in total you have a 500 blocks now.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah,
some had came up before. So you want to tell the people what caused the delay?
Hey.
That you have to go explain that part then, you know, because your house could have did start, and you know,
Hey.
you explain to our viewers and our donors what caused the delay.
Yeah, man, I told my mind never really make up yet if me really want to put you up there, so I really want to get a different place to put, you know. Yeah, place of me down more. But anyway, make up my mind and tell me, say, no, just put you up there so I'm done. And you know, still, me pass off and God, me pay them still, all when I know feed them landing, still can benefit of it for them sister, them daddy, them grandfather place.
Yeah.
So them still can benefit. Me no feel them would give them no problem.
Where the grandfather there?
In dead.
Son of him place.
And I feel him again.
No.
Gone.
If it
Yes.
That cost more so delay and some, you know. Some look at issue. So
Yeah.
just make up my mind now and say, alright, we just do it and done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, Jesus. I would have some boy. I'm here. Too much weight. So contact to you.
Yeah,
Right.
really
Yeah.
appreciate man and me see black them come in man. I said, yeah, yeah.
But he black. I know don't you say for the Ryan.
No.
You start bring up
Yeah,
them.
man.
One day.
Eh?
Or one day if you carry them up.
Look how much help you can get.
Hey. When we had them catch three, then catch three and put one there so. Put one up there so.
We're not
And one up
expecting
there
to
so.
carry.
And then top.
They can't manage no more. They have to left you halfway.
It is.
Come in the general.
Lord have mercy. And when was we there with you?
He's supposed to hear me attack from man.
Why me I tell you, it just always happen to come by anytime we come. Yeah,
He darling, who know what it is?
yeah, true. But Ryan though, so it's just, so the next step now is to get the house lined out.
Yeah.
And you already have persons to dig who are, you know, already taken care of.
Yeah.
So the digging shouldn't be a problem.
No man, I just line out and
It's just a line out and then get started.
Yeah.
Right?
You know, from the line out, me can dig here, go and dig out, see him way. I just line me, I told me can't line out.
You have tape up there?
Tape. So they take me tape on, but me can't get for this man tape for borrow. But
Come in the general, son.
Hi, son, how you do? Yeah, we're big ring and watch this man and bangle. Where you hide it from? Where you hide it from?
Sure things there, man. I can see.
So what going, son, where you go?
I go to the yard also.
Oh, bush you come from?
I can go look for it.
You sell them?
yeah, this is the
Yeah, so you sell the hog them and that quiet.
What do you tell me?
You tell me, but Orion don't know, so sell it.
I don't know we business that we have to know.
Yeah.
Money now?
Huh?
My money. You have, see your pocket, buff up, your left pocket.
Piece of bulla? Oh. The money now run.
Come to you, I have none.
So where you go to the farm, go to son?
No, come back to his day.
Oh, your plant.
Come back to his day.
Okay.
Yes, call him.
Skull.
I don't know them.
What skull?
that a liquor, like when you
Run up.
really beer, nothing at all.
Oh.
Just beer, liquor cup of figure beer, you know. Just tap push party there, chase
Okay.
I said, do for me ground
So
too.
you have to buy head.
No, I'm not head. I'm not back to the same one.
But if I just want a cup, you can, that's not strong, man.
Yeah, I'm back.
Depends on how big you cup them be.
You have to just plant it back and try see if
There.
so you can hold tea.
Cup your head.
I say, yeah. Depends on how you dig them.
We are run go Parayan and come back.
Can your son come? We have close to him. Can your little son or your grandson or granddaughter come?
One told me,
And you know, little.
well, for big old man, you can.
Him have no picking up here.
Tell Ryan saying can go tell Peaches them so they can send on the pick them, you know.
Think I tell Peaches we do send on the pick them.
The switch too long.
So 1 yard everybody come out around.
Yeah, not really.
But me ask you one question here.
Really?
So you never hear me?
I really have my yard up so we're full.
Oh, so all right, so make we are up around muddy, you know, but
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, kinda.
My time one.
Kinda. Me know.
Kinda. All right, son,
Yeah,
son, later.
You know.
You go out there, son? Okay.
You know, so
We-
we don't
all right, we see you.
carry the
All right, son, son.
rain time, you know. So the mud kinda cut down little bit.
Man, every time you smoke your hide.
Tell them so they can come.
Hi, morning. Better drop. Ooh. Yes. Hi, morning.
So what happened?
And tell Terry saying to send the picture them.
Where I come from? So what kind of injury you get? So what happened to him? What kind of injury you get?
It broke up we know for sure, if we see when we see him like
So you but you not get no broke bone though?
All right, son, son, me hear you. May I come?
everything everything I move still I just
Oh God. Your friend when you see you never see him.
me knock see him, me knock I don't know until me pass by me knock out cool like ice. Knock out cool. Me depend where gas fall me na care me under me na care go.
You're supposed to depend.
Oh, no.
So you say you try not pan him in a dark without light.
Oh.
I mean how you see me come off me bike as much light. I know what him do in the gears are.
Oh, my.
And it wanna go hard.
You know me there right that, me not like me there right that. I told you about things like.
Some the other person.
She good, she good.
She got hospital too.
She got Spanish like.
Got the on your side.
Yep.
Got the on the tree on the side. Yes.
So boy, so then I just I go and see how I can heal.
So 1 month now you not do nothing.
1 month hard, you know. From 26 last month.
February.
Last month. 26 I miss it every day.
A construction work you do, don't? Oh, okay.
I'm a carpenter. See, if you just gonna give it 2 free days, man.
From the time we see him asking,
You don't pray for you that time.
If you call me, you don't call me.
If you call I don't give you no number. You bird, come off my veranda, we want you.
yeah.
So you're still there.
Yes.
Yeah, enough people gone, you know. That's that too. Yeah, man.
Holy,
You know, say you're down and you can move. We try to see what we can do for you in the meantime, you know. But this is Black Rotten, general.
Black Rotten.
Yeah.
Him always up here, but he always a hide.
He always out, you know, there.
Oh. Okay. But we see him one, look here.
Yeah, you
We see her right here.
What you see, when a person come home, me not to.
Yeah, front up.
And
Yeah.
again, and it, for a long time you do carpenter work, not you?
I see how well know me in the system.
A long time you work. So if you're done for 1 month, you're supposed to have enough money.
Yeah.
How money can spend, right? Come down, man, I can't. Y'all know you're not sleep yet. Come on. Come on, so.
You say my easy.
Too much.
Very easy, man.
Come here. Come here, you. What funny step on come?
Hubert Mullins.
I'm a Mullins.
How what?
You it?
You eat? Oh.
Yeah.
I'm Mullins.
I'm here Mullins, you know?
Huh?
I'm here Mullins.
I want family where I visit this morning. Good morning. Ryan. Remember
Ryan.
you have on the mic. So no say nothing because we are talking to.
Ryan, Black Rat not talk to you.
I say, people when you say before we go, so they to go out by yard.
No, out there.
Alright. Why you not help Ryan to help black them? Eh?
Two years ago.
And I say, can't come? You can't, for look how long you black them long there, you carry 2 cups in a few years.
This morning.
A few?
So when you go help him carry the rest, Hubert?
So you just plan to catch 2 this morning?
I should be like a boss, you know.
Oh,
How much if you make down there since you black them pack up down there?
you know make none.
Hope you could have catch 2. Yeah, help him. You know, so if you not fear, I don't know fear.
Up at top, them a go. So we have an anonymous donor and she sent some money for you here. You hear? Alright. So tell her thanks, no?
She loves you. You never know. She loves you, man.
Oh boy. Alright, Hubert. We not linger.
We are go for top. Yeah, come up there. Carry 2 black.
Oh.
If I never you carry them, you go carry them this morning. I put them there, Ryan.
Yeah, man. I be a look for him, say, come up.
And he can't reach all now.
Hey, come
Put them there, so gas.
Hey, come down.
So you sleep now, boss?
Huh?
You sleep now?
Oh, good.
So you want more medicine?
I don't say no to take it.
We try to give you a drink.
Original.
So what you drink?
Original. I feel we get so
So you just start sleep all of a sudden now. What happened?
You feel better in your body, though.
Sometimes I don't still. Was it was?
Yeah, man, then I say, it depends on where you are go through that time there. You're not going to lay down and sleep same time. You want me to give some of me sleep?
So we go in early. I'm not on TV, I don't feel fine, no?
Oh, so maybe you sleep early and then you wake up and can't go back to sleep.
You want me to give some of me?
Sleep.
You don't have too much.
I can't do that.
Yeah.
All right, Hubert.
So your mother?
In the house.
Oh, she good? Alright. Mommy?
I hear you.
We are here up the whole family this morning.
Oh, she come, she hear you. Hi, morning.
Come give me a call today. Then I see you good.
You have to come here.
Alright. This is Sandrine's mom. Yes.
Hubert, mom too.
Hubert mother.
And Black Rat.
And Black Rat mother. You alright, mommy?
Yes, sir.
So how you do?
Not too bad.
You know, I got church today.
No.
Oh, Jesus. You look like you make up your mind a long time. You say no. That's all. You look well, though. That's all. That cook today?
Yes.
Alright, when you dinner ready, we come back. We are going for Ryan. We are going for Stinger, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, Hubert, we will follow you.
She not get no trouble in her. She not make. You see, she talk.
She quiet, man.
She not talk like me.
I sleep, you know, so.
Are the slippers slippery?
It is so I want to sit there, man, and part, we just dig down.
You look weird, that man.
And a Billy.
I don't know if you can die, but I mean. I see me have one there with no hat either. Come here, road enough, you don't have to put me here. Come up.
I might tell yourself.
No must.
Hold hand. Don't jam me back.
Watch out.
You see, and that you that.
Me dey way the police I had from where there I see mount of mud there.
What's Sandrine there, Ryan?
Sanjay I had.
You come in when I tell you now.
Oh,
How much you pay them in our house?
Funny done I had them man in gone lie down. Eh? That's true. I carry man I could just left out that boy. Nothing 50 left out, I 200 left on. You come up here now. I carry them man. Yeah, so me put on the lot them way. I have a bike in wire and it's sitting there. In our house. Yes, I go over here. No,
you sure you not park them too close to your house? In your space.
You put a building house.
You know what?
did I say?
Don't put no more block down.
Yeah.
I don't want space so big and choke.
Okay, I forgot to put them back this as I saw me did I say?
Them doing now.
Eh.
Like how them did already.
Can
No,
just
round
pack
it.
the rest of 200 pounds, yes, not true?
Yeah, you can.
Pack the rest of.
But not put no go no further out.
Now around this house, you line out the house.
On this
You still put it on there, sir?
Anyhow you build around this house, you see? That go hard. Come and buy my go put in partition in there. No?
Okay.
And a one box in my bill.
Yeah,
That go harder.
That made
If I did just one space.
yeah.
All this are if the alright, this a room here. Now let's say I go build something on the side. So this a room what? 12 by 12.
Yeah, 12 by 12.
Yeah, so if I 12 the room, you can build the room around it. Yeah, you get 114.
Oh, tight.
Yeah. So if you want to build around it, and then the other part, them now you add on it to it. You understand? So that just line out around this one here, that the room itself. Then you dig the other part of foundation for the other stuff.
So when it a deck off, this I don't have to deck off in it. Or anything it a do, you don't have to do with it in a hit same way before me.
So when you're done now, you pull down. Suppose in one room you can't get to finish. You would just finish it and then you take out this.
Because when I tell me that's a side, I hit me down put it. Like me down those. And that's when we go out.
Already going?
Go out.
You remember say you dig one pit over here, so?
Yeah, it is. But I don't know.
You don't have to come all the way out.
With this room.
No, that room now, the alrightish part it is. So you the foundation around this room.
Somebody live over there, so?
So you not put no partition in it.
Okay, keep hearing knocking.
Oh, they put no partition in here, so not true.
The room itself.
Okay.
I don't have to somewhere after so.
Yeah, so you don't come back right this side, right to a drum there. So you don't come back to this drum. And then you want to put the bathroom or whatever over this side there. And then you put on your veranda front, whatever.
And the kitchen would go on the side. If I move to put the kitchen on the put the kitchen on the side of the bathroom.
Put the room in front and put the kitchen and the bathroom back.
Yes, true.
Anything you say, Ryan, say is true.
True.
So when you actually start do it, you will just come together.
The kitchen and the bathroom, you have your picture, so.
Right.
So the bathroom could be over this side.
You look like you sleep up there, so when it's on hot, you go to sleep.
What am I just saying?
And they go around here ready, guys.
Oh, if it's not true.
Yeah.
Sometimes we come back and see church out for the back up there.
That's sleeping? No.
Don't do it if I sleep or if he does what he does.
Stretch out.
Church out.
This man him can't sleep. Oh, Bert, man, he always a smile.
Just get more and get the line out enough. I'm get the line out, you know me. I'm get the line out, me good.
Tape there, you can get one tape?
Me can get one tape fine.
Get one tape and come and carry. You have hammer?
Yeah, me supposed to have one.
Carry them come.
I and hammer in the house, but I'll get the tape and come.
Guess who's coming?
So you know who is coming.
Sandrine. I also know who I come. A birthday I come without light.
Sandrine,
Yes?
how are you? Morning.
Alright.
Sandrine, I know say when we have come through your field link we. I will not know which part you're there. Yeah?
Man,
So they call it a banking.
and the beat, you know see Sandrine just a come. You know say please either. Yes, Sandrine.
Which part you want there?
Hey, there that was.
I will call Sandrine tomorrow.
That was. We work for a man in the Morrissey. Work for me in a day party.
Not true.
Leave there, no, but that's what I go cook. And they can sit there, no.
Red rice.
Me can cook better, I'm still but I can cook rice and peas better, I'm not telling no.
She can cook rice. She can cook better than you.
Of course, that's a thing, you know.
What you cook better?
Meat.
Then meat come with the one flavor a long time, not true. You just need
Just
to
chop beef in
the
a pot
seasoning.
And then the cookie rice and peas, man, oh God, man, it tastes like when mommy used to cook it.
No cook no more give me a Sandrine.
It was a
Say cookie like how you cooking me.
cook it like when you cook the meat.
It was if I be cookie, but I don't have enough. But me I cook enough.
Yeah, cook now.
You have to just cook for everybody. So back right name can't even.
You have to just do one big part to everybody.
Super, they have him too, man.
You can't cook the sofa,
That's so wonderful when I cook.
but you can't help yourself. You know the macaroni and rice. You cook, man.
Hey, man. Yeah. I shot at my friend, make a
Line out the house.
line out
Yeah,
the
it'll take a while.
I eat him myself when I go there for bury tape and I say, how old you work out those things, man? I don't know.
No.
Hey, not even say how old you must say a couple, like 1, 2, 3 or without my account.
All right. So
I forgot.
we are gonna take care of that part there and then you tell we. All right, guys. So,
It's a bless up.
oh yes,
I never see you when you say it, you know.
so say it again.
Alright, you bird.
All right, guys. So, just want to say thanks to everyone for your continued support. Thanks for donating, to Ryan's cause and to everybody who we try to assist. Until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Yeah, man, really appreciate
All right, Ryan.
it. Yeah.